Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Simplify app in your device. Simplify is a comprehensive expense management tool with the features like automatic transaction download, budgeting and bill pay. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Simplify. There you can see Simplify, tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Simplify app for transaction tracking and budgeting. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.